Are you unknowingly setting your child up for financial failure? Many parents don't realize that their everyday actions and attitudes towards money are shaping their children's financial futures in ways they never imagined. In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal the shocking mistakes that could be derailing your child's path to wealth, including one common parenting behavior that almost guarantees your child will struggle with money for life. Don't let your good intentions pave the way to financial ruin. Subscribe now to learn how to break the cycle and set your children up for lasting prosperity. 1. The follow your passion. Trapped parents often tell their children to pursue their passions regardless of financial considerations. While well-intentioned, this advice can lead to significant financial struggles. For example, encouraging a child to pursue a career in the arts without discussing the economic realities can result in years of financial hardship. Instead, help your child find a balance between passion and practicality, such as exploring ways to monetize their artistic skills through graphic design or marketing. 2. Normalizing debt, the silent wealth killer. Many parents unintentionally teach their children that debt is a normal part of life. By casually using credit cards for everyday purchases or making only minimum payments, parents signal that living in debt is acceptable. This can lead to children developing poor financial habits, like a young adult maxing out credit cards for unnecessary purchases. Teach your children about responsible borrowing and the importance of living within their means. 3. The work ethic disconnect. Children learn more from what they see than what they hear. If parents constantly complain about work or frequently change jobs, children may develop a negative attitude towards employment. This can result in a poor work ethic and difficulty maintaining steady employment as adults. Model a positive attitude towards work and show how dedication can lead to career advancement and financial stability. 4. The student loan. Trap encouraging children to take out large student loans without fully explaining the long-term consequences can be financially devastating. Many young adults find themselves burdened with debt for decades, hindering their ability to build wealth. Instead, explore alternative options like community college, scholarships, or part-time work to offset education costs. 5. Delayed financial independence. Not opening a bank account for your child early on can delay their financial independence. By setting up an account when they're young, you can teach them about saving, budgeting, and the power of compound interest. For instance, a 13-year-old who starts saving $20 a week could have a significant nest egg by college age, learning valuable financial lessons along the way. 6. The premature car purchase. Buying a car for your teenager might seem like a kind gesture, but it can foster financial dependence. Instead of gifting a car, consider helping them save for one or matching their contributions. This teaches the value of goal setting and delayed gratification. A teen who works part-time to save for their first car will likely take better care of it and appreciate its value more. 7. The handout habit. Giving children money whenever they ask fails to teach them about budgeting and the connection between work and income. Implement a system where children earn money through chores or part-time jobs. This helps them understand the value of money and develops crucial budgeting skills. For example, a child who earns $10 for mowing the lawn will think twice before spending it all on candy. 8. The financial worry contagion. Constantly expressing financial worries in front of children can instill a scarcity mindset. This can lead to anxiety about money and limit their future financial aspirations. Instead, involve children in age-appropriate financial discussions that focus on problem-solving and planning. For instance, involve them in planning a family vacation budget to teach positive financial management. 9. Money conflict spillover. Arguments about money in front of children can create negative associations with financial matters. This can lead to avoidance of financial topics in adulthood, hindering their ability to manage money effectively. Instead, model healthy financial discussions and joint decision-making with your partner. 10. The silent treatment on finances. Avoiding money conversations altogether leaves children unprepared for financial realities. Use everyday situations like grocery shopping or bill paying as teachable moments. Explain concepts like comparison shopping or how utility costs change with usage to provide practical financial education. 11. The money equals fun equation. Tying all enjoyable activities to spending money can create a dangerous association. Children may grow up believing happiness requires expenditure. Balance paid activities with free or low-cost options like nature hikes, community events, or home movie nights to show that joy isn't always tied to spending. 12. The impulse buying example, frequent impulse purchases, teach children that immediate gratification is normal and acceptable. This can lead to poor spending habits in adulthood. Practice and explain delayed gratification, such as saving for a special item over time rather than buying it on the spot. 13. The brand name bandwagon. Giving in to demands for expensive, trendy items can foster materialism and poor financial priorities. Encourage individuality and teach the difference between wants and needs. Help children understand that their worth isn't determined by their possessions, but by their character and actions. 14. The money taboo mindset. Teaching children to avoid money discussions can lead to financial insecurity and difficulty advocating for themselves. Encourage open, honest conversations about money to build confidence. This can help them negotiate salaries, discuss finances with partners, and make informed financial decisions as adults. 15. The false economy of cheap. Always opting for the cheapest option can be costly in the long run. Teach children about value, quality, and cost per use. For example, explain how a well-made pair of shoes might cost more upfront but last longer and provide better value than repeatedly buying cheap, quickly worn-out alternatives. If you're intrigued by the possibility of securing a future of financial freedom for your children, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to unveiling the secrets of building generational wealth and avoiding the pitfalls that keep families trapped in cycles of financial struggle. From surprising investment strategies to shocking money habits you never knew were holding you back, our videos are your roadmap to a prosperous future. Don't let another day go by without taking action. Click the link in the description to access our exclusive Financial Freedom VIP community.